Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this cute little dress keychain. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This dress keychain looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do them, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, double crochet, single crochet and triple crochet. First we will do the top part, then the down part. Next we will do the strap. So now let's see how to do this cute little dress keychain. To do this beautiful dress keychain, you are going to start with a slip knot. Do 12 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We are going to do 12 chain. After doing 12 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to do a slip stitch in this first stitch. Insert the hook here. Yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So next you are going to do 40 chain. After doing them, it looks like this. Next you will join them to the slip stitch which we have done here. So this will be the key ring for this dress keychain. Next we are going to work inside this circle. Do chain 3 and do 3 double crochet inside the circle. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. You are going to do 2 more double crochet inside the same circle. After doing them, it looks like this. Next do 2 chain, 1, 2. And next you are going to do 6 double crochet inside the circle. After doing them, it looks like this. Next do 2 chain. You are going to repeat this one more time. That is, you will be doing 4 double crochet in the circle. After doing them, it looks like this. Next chain 2 and do 6 double crochet inside the circle and chain 2. After doing them, it looks like this. You can finish it off using a slip stitch in this third chain. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So after completing the first round, it looks like this. For next round, chain 3, which acts as the first double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. You are going to do double crochet in each stitch till you reach the chain 2 space. You'll be doing double crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches. Total you'll be having 4 double crochet. Now in this chain 2 space, you are going to do 2 double crochet, 2 chain 2 and 2 more double crochet in the same chain 2 space. So you are going to repeat the same pattern till you reach this end. That is, you'll be doing double crochet in each stitch till you reach the chain 2 space, and in the chain 2 space you will be doing 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Then do double crochet in each stitch till you reach the chain 2 space. The chain 2 space you will be doing 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. You'll be following them till you reach this end and finish it off using a slip stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Next you are going to do the body part of the dress. For that you are going to start with a slip knot. So you are going to fold them into 2 like this. Insert it in this chain 2 space. Same way in the chain 2 space. Insert it here. Pull through. Do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This acts as the first double crochet. Next we are going to work in the back loops here. So if you see here, this is the V-like structure, this is the back loop, this is the front loop. So for this loop round, you are going to work on the back loops. Next stitch you will be working on one side, that is, so you are going to do double crochet in each stitch only in the back loops till you reach the chain 2 space. After doing them, it looks like this. Next you are going to do double crochet by joining both the chain 2 spaces here. You are going to do a double crochet. Next turn your work. Same way how we did here, you are going to do here. You will be working on the back loop. You are going to do double crochet in each stitch only in the back loops. After doing them, it looks like this. So we will be doing 8 double crochet on both these sides. For next round, chain 3, 1 2 3 and you're going to do a double crochet in the same stitch. So next stitch you're going to do 2 double crochet, that is double crochet increase. So this is the pattern you're going to follow for this round by doing 2 double crochet in each stitch, that is nothing but double crochet increase. So next stitch 2 double crochet. Likewise you are going to do them around. You are going to do double crochet increase in each stitch, that is you are going to do 2 double crochet in each stitch. After doing them it looks like this. For next round do chain 3. Next stitch you are going to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch, that is double crochet increase. So next stitch double crochet, next stitch double crochet increase. So this is the pattern you are going to follow for this round by doing double crochet in the first stitch and double crochet increase in the next stitch, that is 2 double crochet in the same stitch. You will continue them till you reach the last stitch and you will finish it off using a slip stitch. After doing them it looks like this. For next round onwards you are going to work on the front loop. So you will be doing chain 3. You are going to work on the front loop. We are going to do 1 double crochet in the front loop and double crochet increase in the next stitch. This chain 3 acts as the first double crochet. So you are going to do double crochet in each stitch for 2 stitches, and in the third stitch you will be doing double crochet increase. That is, you are going to do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. You are going to do this only in the front loop. So the pattern is 1 double crochet in the first stitch in the front loop, 1 double crochet in the next stitch in the front loop. The next stitch you are going to do 2 double crochet. So you are going to repeat this till you reach the last stitch and you are going to finish it off using a slip stitch. After doing them it looks like this. Next we are not going to snip off this yarn. We are going to work on this back loop which we have left. So take the yarn, do chain 4. 1 2 3 4. Next stitch you are going to do triple crochet. 2 times yarn over, insert the hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is triple crochet. Next stitch triple crochet. Next stitch triple crochet increase, that is you are going to do 2 triple crochet in the same stitch. So it looks like this. You are going to repeat this pattern, that is you are going to do triple crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches. 1 2 3. Next stitch triple crochet increase, that is nothing but doing 2 triple crochet in the same stitch. So you are going to continue this pattern till you reach the end and finish it off using a slip stitch. After doing them it looks like this. So before finishing you'll bring this red color yarn down. You're going to finish it off using a slip stitch in this 4th chain. Do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. After doing them it looks like this. For next round chain 2, you're going to join both the stitches. Take the stitch here and here. You're going to do a single crochet. Next chain 2, take 1 stitch this side, 1 stitch the other side and do a single crochet. So this is the pattern you're going to follow by doing chain 2 and joining both the sides by taking stitches from both the sides. Chain 2, take 1 stitch from this side, 1 stitch from this side and you're going to do a single crochet. So it looks like this. You're going to continue till this end. So let's see how it looks after completing them. After doing them it looks like this. This last here you can do a slip stitch, chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Dress looks like this. Next you are going to do the strap part. To do the strap, you can do a slip knot. Do based on the length here you want. I'll be doing 15 chain. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, you can insert them in the front loop which we have left here. You're going to join them using slip stitch, chain one and snip off this yarn. Same way you bring the strap like this way, back side here. Insert it in this front loop which we have left and you can make a knot here. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, you can add some fancy buttons here. Dress keychain looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.